guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for you. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay. Shay with the pals. If you take a second to subscribe, also make sure to smash like button, support your girl. So I need 12 offers for 5, which is cool because I haven't got that kind of bonus in a minute. Thank you, Ibotta. I see you. And then I'll be knocking out the larger bonus as well. And I'll be getting back 9 for that, which is cool. So this should be relatively easy. I do want to see if I can try using 5 Airwick coupons if I mix them up. I've done that before with the per sale when it worked. So I want to see if it's going to work today and if I can like use 4 of one IP and then 1 of another. So that I can maximize the deal on Ibotta and grab 5 instead of just grabbing 4, since Walmart's coupon limit is limit of 4. One of you guys recently asked, I haven't had any issues using coupons at Walmart. Of course, they make the rules. If they tell you can only use 1, then I guess you did ask can only use 1. But I go to self-checkout and I used, how many last time? 4, 8, 19. I use 11, I think, on one transaction. So really just depends on your store, to be honest. Somebody asked about how to cash out on Be Frugal. I don't know if I'm gonna do a screen record or just put in some screenshots, but it's super easy. First thing is that you can only cash out every 15 days with Be Frugal, and you have to convert your points first, then you cash out, right? And with converting, it's like they give you more of an incentive to wait. For 5,000 points, you get back 5. 10,000, you get back 11. 20,000, you get back 23. 50,000, you get back 60. And then 100,000 points, you get back 125. So they do give you more of an incentive to wait, which sounds crazy because y'all know in these coupon rebating streets, you cannot be waiting for nothing. But with Be Frugal, because you don't only cash out every 15 days, it makes it kind of hard. Like you freaking have no choice but to wait. Like you have to wait, right? And so I finally hit my 100,000. I think I got to 105. I have 1 receipt that's still pending, and so I have converted my points already, getting back 125, and I have to wait 1 more day. So I have to wait till the 11th before I can before I can cash out. And so basically I only use the browser for all of the sister apps, to be honest. I don't want to take enough space on my phone if it doesn't really have to. And I just basically save the deals page to my phone. So all I have to do is click on it and I'm already where I want to be. And so from the browser, I'm gonna be in Be Frugal's rewards. So you're gonna basically, okay, for starters, to convert, you click on your points. Click on your points, all right, and then it says redeem points, and then it's gonna give you the conversion chart. All right, you can cash out with however you want based on the points you have, right? From that page, I believe it automatically takes you to cash out. If it doesn't, you can just click the 3 horizontal lines at the top left, click my account, click payouts, and then it'll have you log in and then just request payment. All right, if you want to check to see when the last time that you cashed out, you could just go back and click payout history to see. I cashed out on the 27th, so I have to wait till the 11th. But yeah, that's how you cash out. It's super easy though. My intro's already 4 minutes. Oh my gosh, you gotta be crazy. I'm sorry, you guys. For those of you who did want to know, now you know. And so with that being said, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what you could grab, you hit the like button, keep on watching, and hype your girl up.
Alright, y'all. So this first deal doesn't look like the store carries it. It's on the Bob's Red Meal mix. I was gonna get the coffee cake one because that one sounds really good, but doesn't look like the store carries it. It's priced at $5.47. We have a free offer on Social Nature. I was hoping we'll get it on Ibotta because we usually have the offer on Ibotta. And so this deal here is on the Arm & Hammer Pure Baking Soda. Gonna grab this deal again. Now the only app that I have it for $6 is on Swagbucks. All the other sister apps, it's I think $4. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these, again priced at $3.58. That total is gonna come to $7.16. We'll get back 6 on Swagbucks. Now last time I did get back the 50 cents on checkout 51, so I'm definitely going to try there, making both only 66 cents or 33 cents each. And of course we're going to go ahead and max it out and grab 4. All right, so this deal here is on the Smash Kitchen. There's an aisle offer for up to $5 back. I didn't even think we carried them here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a bag. We'll go ahead and grab a bag at $3.90. You'll get that back. I'll have a link. What I'll do is I'll pin a comment and throw the link in there for you guys. And so yeah, to make it absolutely free. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Smash Kitchen popcorn instead of the Doritos. For that offer, you can get any item. You'll get back the 5, so it's priced at $5.22. We'll get back the 5, making it only 22 cents. The next thing I'm gonna be grabbing is the Smart Food Fiber Pop. Has to be the toffee and sea salt one. Price at $3.72. Getting back $3 in Ibotta will make that 72 cents. Now, it was available for Walmart rewards. Usually when the offer is on a timer for Ibotta, it's normally pulled from Walmart rewards. And then, of course, I still have offers for the Wild Chips. You know what? I tried these the other day. We had to drive down to LA, and I took a bag of these with a energy drink. These are so freaking good. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a bag. Price is $6.97. Those of you who've used my link, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll get that back through aisles. If you haven't grabbed the bag yet for aisle, you'll get back $3.50. I have gotten the smaller bags at Target, and I think they're around $4.19. And so that's not a bad deal over there. I don't think they carry the smaller bags here. I was really hoping I would find the Sun Chips. I used to eat the heck out of some Sun Chips back in the day, but listen, this is on the Sun Chips with fiber. Like, why do they want to just be adding stuff to everything? Like, they got the Doritos with protein. Like, I wouldn't even feel right. Like, I'd rather eat me a steak or a piece of chicken. Anyways, listen. They don't carry the fiber ones at the store. Looks like they are priced at $3.98. Getting back $3.50 on Ibotta would make them 48 cents. All right, so I'm going to be grabbing the Werthers again. They are on rollback for $2.08. So I'll be grabbing a total of 4 of them. One's a paying $8.32. We'll be getting back a total of $8. $8 on one of the sister apps, Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox to the Easy Bucks, Upromise. Look, we've tossed in Be Frugal because I think for me they've kind of earned it. All right. And so and then we also have 80 cents on one of them for checkout 51, making them all a 48-cent moneymaker. All right, so this next deal here doesn't look like the store carries it. It's on the Ocean Spray packets. They're priced at $2.48, getting back 2 on Ibotta. Bringing them down to 48 cents with a limit of 5. I was going to grab them again because I actually really like the grape one. And so, yeah. All right, y'all. So I had to switch over to voiceover because my battery died. So this deal here is on the Ocean Spray. It's on the 3-liter bottles. They're priced at $4.96. We're going to go ahead and grab 4 of them. You'll pay $19.84. You'll get back $7.50 for every 2 on Swagbucks, plus $1 for each on checkout 51, making them only 21 cents. I'm also going to be grabbing the smaller bottles as well, the 64 ounce. I just gave all of these to my sister, and she lives with the in-laws, and they really like it. So I'm going to be giving them the rest of these as well. And so this one here is priced at $3.67. We'll be grabbing 4 of them, paying $14.68. We'll get back $5.50 for every 2 on Swagbucks and $1 for each on checkout 51, making them a 32-cent moneymaker. All right, so this deal here, they don't carry at this store. I was so excited about this deal because my dad, he absolutely loves this butter. And so it's on the, I can't believe it's not butter. It's on the sticks. They're priced at $3.98. For this, you want to go ahead and grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $7.96, getting back $2 for each on Ibotta. Plus, we have a 15-cent any butter. And then I have 2 offers on Fetch. One is spend 5, get 1, and then one is 40 cents for each one. So you get back $1.80, bringing them down to only $1 a piece. All right, this deal here is on the Airwick. It's on the diffuser device, priced at $7.48. We do still have that $5 Knox coupon. And so that would bring it down to $2.48, getting back to $1 bottle would make that 48 cents. And I think the limit on this is a limit of 5. All right, this deal is on the Airwick starter kits, priced at $3.97. We have a $3 coupon. It is working on this one. And the picture, it has a 2-pack. It'll bring it down to 97 cents. You'll get back $1.25 on Ibotta. So it's going to make it a 28-cent moneymaker. Now, I did mix up the coupons and try using 4 of one and 1 of the other one to see if I could use 5. But the 5th one still didn't work. So I just grabbed 4 of them. All right, I didn't do this deal today, but it's on the Airwick double pack, priced at $5.98. For this, using the $4 printable from coupons.com, it is no longer available. That will bring the total down to $1.98. Getting back $1 on Ibotta would make it 98 cents with a limit of 5.
Next up is the Snuggle. I did see California Clipper post this in her last Walmart video. If you're not following her, definitely go check her out and let her know Shay sent you. All right, so it's on the Scent Boosters, price at $5.97. I'm going to grab one of these. I'll also be grabbing the softener as well, price at $4.47. The two is going to come to $10.44. We'll get back $1.50 for the Scent Boosters, 75 cents for the liquid, plus $1 bonus on Ibotta. There's also $1.95 on Be Frugal for the Scent Boosters, and then you'll get back $1 for every 5 on Fetch Reward, bringing them down to $1.62 each. All right, so the last two deals are on the razors. This one here is on the Skintimate, price at $6.27. We do have a $3 coupon on coupons.com. You'll pay $3.27, getting back $2 on Ibotta would make that $1.27. And we also have a deal on the Extreme 3, price at $6.78. Again, using the $3 coupon from coupons.com, you'll pay $3.78, getting back $2 on Ibotta will make that $2.78. All right, y'all. So here is my complete haul for today. No, we still don't have floors, which sucks. We still don't have floors, but we are getting closer. It sucks because the mortgage company that I have now, it was transferred from Wells Fargo. And Wells Fargo literally is like 2 minutes from my house. But the one that it got transferred to was out of state. So I had to send a lot of the information for the claim there. So it's just a longer process. So I have to wait for them to send me the information, and then we can start the process. But it's kind of cool because we're going to get cabinets and countertops out of it, which is really cool. So that's kind of the light at the end of the tunnel for me, because we're all over it. Like the house we're all completely over it, right? And so but yeah, hopefully soon. But listen, so this worked out good. I did 3 transactions. I didn't do the candy because I just didn't feel like it too. I would have had to do extra transactions, and I figured hopefully the offer will go up a little bit more. Maybe I'll do it in my next haul. Lipton, that's on my Ibotta, but for some reason it's not showing up on my list. So I put a ticket in for that. I don't know what's gonna happen. I was also short an offer for the Airwick because I grabbed 5. And I was going to use 4 of the $3 coupons. It's a Knox, Airwick is a Knox coupon. So I was going to use 4 of those, and then I was going to use the one that actually expires today to see if I could get away with using 5. The 5th one didn't scan, so it made me short 2 offers. So I went ahead and got the Extreme razors, which I wasn't going to do for this haul. And so it still worked out. I hit my weekend. I hit my big bonus as well, which is cool. All my coupons that I used today, they all scanned. I didn't have any issues at all. I went to self-checkout. Y'all know I'm my favorite cashier. Let me just be honest. This was the first receipt with all of the Ocean Spray, Airwick, the tea, Arm & Hammer, and the Fiber Pop. I think that's, yeah, I'm going to try that. I want to try it so bad. But as you can see, all my coupons scan. As you can see, I took the 5th one off right there. And so, yeah, this is what this receipt was. And then these are the other 2 receipts. The top one is just the Extreme razors. And then the bottom one is the Snuggle, the Skintimate, and then the butter popcorn. I put a little X next to it when I sent the receipt again because I wanted to make sure that they saw it. And so yeah, those are my 3 receipts. Let me run through this really quick. If you haven't had a chance to like the video, please, and thank you. All right, so listen, everything you see here retails $131.40. We had $36 in coupons. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $95.40. I'll have to pop up my sales taxes. I forgot to put it. We walk away with $38.43 from Ibotta, $38 from Swagbucks, $11.97 for aisle, $8.50 from Checkout 51, $2 from Fetch, and last but not least, $1.95 from Be Frugal. Getting back a total of $100.85 is going to make everything you see here free plus a $5
and 45-cent moneymaker, which is pretty awesome. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. If you made it to the end, I want to see a popcorn emoji in the comments. I'm going to try that popcorn right now.
Okay, I'm going to try this really, really quick. I feel like it's been a minute since I've actually tried something for you guys. But I said, you know what? We's about to try these. That's what it's looking like. Look. Okay. Smart Food Fiber Pop. They be doing the most with some of these foods, don't they though? It's not bad. I'm gonna show you my favorite popcorn right now. It's good. I like it. It's really good. I'm gonna show you my favorite popcorn. This is my favorite popcorn. I get it from Aldi. $2.59. But this right here is actually pretty good. What I like is that it's not overly sweet. It has 7 grams of sugar. It's good. I wish it was available for freaking Walmart reward. I would have got it again. I don't know. I like it. I'm not even joking. Yeah, I'm hooked with this. For real. Now, would I pay like $3.72 for it? I don't know. It's 6 serving sizes, so 6 serving sizes. That's like, how much per serving size? Let me stop. My greedy ass will eat this whole bag. Because one of these right here, my greedy butt will eat this whole bag and not even question it. But anyways, let me know if you guys have tried it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. My greedy ass will eat this whole bag.